second moon. I am the host of today's morning assembly. So please join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer, Astoma Sadgamaya and Saraswati Vandana. Now I would like to call my friend Prajwal for pledge. My name is Prajwal Pandit. I study in class Moon. Right hand for the pledge. Right hand for the flag. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India very and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. I would like to call my friend Rajvi for new word of the day. Good morning everyone. My name is Rajvi Chandani. I am for class second Moon. Today's word of the day is cheerful. Repeat after me. CHEERFUL. Cheerful means happy. Thank you. Next, I would like to call my friend Neil for thought of the day. Good morning everyone. My name is Neet Vaidya. I study in class second Moon. Today's thought of the day is do what is right, not what is easy. Thank you. Have a nice day. I would like to call my friend Arohi for news headlines. Good morning everyone. My name is Arohi Trivedi. I study in class second Moon. Today is news headlines are national news. India successfully launched Agni 5 nuclear missile with 5,000 km range. International news.